And I'm back. I've just took this off. This is a throttle banjo. This sits basically on them two bolts on the manifold. It sits there. Your cable comes through here and it operates a rod. I'll just get the rod. That's the rod. It's that goes through there, look, like that. That goes in there. That goes there. That goes to your carburetor, and that's to your cable. So when you operate it, it's turning your spot on your carb. As you can see, it's going a bit chatty. So what we're going to do, I'm going to clean it down a bit. So there'll be some noise. I'll see you when we've done it. See you in a minute. There we are, look, a nice freshly painted throttle bracket. I'm just going to refit it. Let's show you what it entails. If you want to take an engine out with these lifters, then this is the ancillaries, but I prefer to, when I'm taking an engine out, I prefer to strip off as much as possible. Basically, that one's not wanting to go in. Better find something. There we are, look. Is it? There we go, it's in. Of course, you don't tighten these up too much because the aluminium, and if you tighten them too much, the pressure will split the aluminium up the side of the threads. So it's just a bit of a nip, what we call a nip. If it gets sharp, I'll show you, and I'll show you the nip. They've got washers on, so they're not worn done, I don't think. There you go, that's tight, nip. That's it. One throttle bracket in place. Get your pin out. Yeah. That concludes the video for the throttle bracket, clean, paint and install. If the carburetor is missing, I've got it in half. I'm going to wait for a quiet a couple hours where I can take it to pieces. Put all the bits through the sonic cleaner. Pardon me. And service it. I've got a service kit for it. New gaskets, you know, new jets and that. I will do a video on that, show you how the sonic cleaner works. So that's all that's left to say is, see you later.